Classic cars have always held a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts, and the 1939 Dodge Coupe Street Rod is a prime example of why. This stunning vehicle, which will be going under the hammer at Mecum's Glendale 2025 auction on March 22nd, is a rare sight and a true testament to the beauty of vintage Dodge craftsmanship. What makes this particular Dodge Coupe so special is not just its timeless design, but the powerful old-school Hemi engine it packs under the hood. While most of us associate classic Dodge cars with the land yachts of the 1950s or muscle cars of the 1960s, Dodge's roots go much deeper. The company was founded by brothers John and Horace Dodge in 1900 and spent the first few decades providing parts for automakers like Oldsmobile and Ford. The Dodge Brothers Motor Company was officially formed in 1914, and by 1928, Dodge became part of the Chrysler Corporation. The early years of Dodge's history were marked by innovation and style, culminating in the introduction of its first L-head 8-cylinder engine in 1930. By the time the 1939 Dodge Business Coupe hit the streets, the company had already been around for almost 4 decades. However, this classic coupe stands out, not only because of its rarity, but also because of its transformation into a street rod. The 1939 to 1942 Dodges were largely abandoned after the war, with many of these vehicles relegated to junkyards or barns, making them a rare find today. That's what makes this 1939 Dodge Business Coupe so special. The blue 1939 Dodge Business Coupe is a striking example of a classic car transformed into a modern street rod. Gone are the bulky fenders, and in their place are modern low-profile wheels, making this coupe look slammed to the ground and ready to cruise. The design of this coupe is a blend of old and new, with the exterior retaining its classic lines, while the interior showcases a more contemporary touch. The interior features a white bench seat and matching door panels, providing a stark contrast to the bright blue dashboard and window frames, creating a bold and stylish look. Although the layout of the cabin remains close to the stock 1939 Dodge, there are some noticeable updates. The chrome trim remains in place, but the dashboard has been upgraded with digital gauges and a Pioneer display in the center, adding a touch of modern technology. One aftermarket addition that stands out is the suicide doors, which give the coupe a unique, custom appearance. The real surprise, however, lies under the hood. While most custom street rods tend to feature modern Mopar engines, this 1939 Dodge Business Coupe is powered by the iconic first-generation Hemi engine, also known as the Firepower. The 331 cubic inch Hemi engine was first introduced in 1951 and remained in production until 1955. It was originally fitted in Chrysler vehicles and the first-year Dodge C-Series pickup trucks. This engine has been completely rebuilt with modern components, and although the exact horsepower remains a mystery, it's safe to say that it's capable of producing more than 300 horsepower. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a TorqueFlite 727 automatic transmission and a custom rear end with 3.55:1 gears. To ensure reliable performance, the car is equipped with an aluminum radiator, electric fan, stainless steel gas tank, electric fuel pump, electronic exhaust cutouts, disc brakes at all 4 corners, and an air suspension system, which adds to its smooth ride. Although this street rod was featured in the December 2007 issue of Mopar Collector's Guide magazine, the build is believed to be nearly 20 years old. Despite this, the car has only clocked 4,800 miles on the odometer, making it a well-preserved example of a classic Dodge turned modern hot rod. Now, the big question: how much is this 1939 Dodge Business Coupe worth? With its rare old-school Hemi engine, eye-catching design, and modern upgrades, this classic car is sure to attract significant interest at the Mecum auction. Given its low mileage and exceptional build quality, it's expected to fetch a high price, but the final amount remains to be seen when the gavel falls.